our way for a trip. We're going to
river trip.
Yep, a 3-hour tour.
Hopefully we have better results than Gilligan did.
Exactly.
Good story.
Our tour is done for the day, and we've seen a lot of stuff. Pretty awesome day. I have to thank Michael for arranging this stuff, and Jose, our guy right there. Say hi. Hello. Hola. We're going to lunch at some place here, and I'm not sure exactly where we are, but it looks beautiful. I'm gonna have some fun. Amazing day. We've seen crocodiles, iguanas. We even fed one. Dinner, lunch.
Up close and special.
Yep. Have you ever fed an iguana? What about alligators, crocodiles? Have you seen that either? I can't answer all questions at once, but we'll sure try.